Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by holding an empty spot on your Samsung home screen until edit mode appears. This opens the wallpaper controls immediately. Once done, tap Wallpapers and Style, then Wallpapers to open the system picker. You want the Live Wallpapers category or the Samsung preloaded live options. Select it now so you can preview motion and battery impact. Make sure to choose a file that supports home screen-only assignment. This first step ensures you're using the system-approved path. You'll tap any live wallpaper to open its preview. Watch the motion and listen for sound so you know how it behaves on your device. Next, adjust available options like playback speed, loop behavior, or whether sound is enabled. These settings affect battery and performance. Once satisfied, press Apply or Set Wallpaper, and the system will ask whether to set it on Home, Lock Screen, or both. Select Home Screen only if you want motion exclusively there. This confirms the choice and prepares the final step. You finish by selecting Home Screen only and tapping Set as Wallpaper. This assigns the live wallpaper where you requested. Then return to your home screen to verify the animation runs and that icons remain usable. Make sure the animation is smooth and not draining excessive battery. If it doesn't play, restart the phone and reassign the same wallpaper. The simple restart resolves permissions or cache issues. If problems persist, choose a different live file or check battery saver and motion reduction settings before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.